your statues like moving around and walking in? Yeah. Yeah, I did this before and I had someone do like a Godzilla one. Yeah, that is so cool. I know. Okay, good. Right, the panels are when I teach teenagers, when I play with teenagers, they won't stop working.
Again.
So you need enough, you need to squeeze it in. If you can even get it in like the little areas with your leaves, that's really good too, okay? If you don't have enough, it'll be really floppy. If you have too much,
Oh yeah, it's not looking stuffing it. You guys need
oh,
Oh, look how beautiful that is, huh?
what about this?
Oh yeah.
I had to go back to the nest like 4
You're the youngest too.
Wait, now I'm the oldest. What? These are both of them.
It's gonna be right here.
Yeah, they're usually along the side of the
I need more
belt.
clay.
You can even build a rack.
But there's only one. What are these tiny ones?
You don't need very much for the winter.
It has an orange on
You
it.
don't need too much for it. Very good. Do you want them? Oh, we have the orange out of it. Yeah, we'll move it when they come so they can like interact with their little. Do you want us to move this? Zoe!
Just jump.
Yeah.